Here's our 2008 Buick Lucerne. It's only the CX model. This one is a salvage title. It's due to hail damage. You can see the motor's running right now. Motor runs fine. See, there's no leaks on anything down there. You can see there's hail damage to this car. Obviously there's no hail damage to the front bumper cover, being it's the plastic front bumper cover. You can see some hail dents there. On this fender, there's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on this front fender. That's the worst one. Here's kind of looking down the side of the vehicle. I can see probably about 6 on each door over here. None of them very major, but they are there. The windshield is broke. As you can see, it's cracked and hit all over the place. Windshield's got to be replaced. This door here you can see got cracked, and this back door here got cracked. The roof's the worst of it. See, this pillar here's got a couple dents there, and there. Quarter panel's got a few. Trunk's got a few there. There's the trunk. The rear bumper cover, I mean, the car's got just a few scratches on it. Average wear and tear. This car has 116,000 miles on it. It runs just fine, but it's got average wear and tear plus the hail damage. Average wear and tear for a 100,000 mile car. This side here, you can see along the top corner, there's some hail damage. But I'm not seeing any damage whatsoever on the doors. Just a couple, maybe a half a dozen on the whole rear quarter panel, so obviously the hail damage came from the passenger side. Tire tread, I would say there's your wear bar. I would say you got, if I had to guess, 60-70% tread life left. Now the rims, they got a little, scaling on them, being they're aluminum wheels. Rear tires have about the same tread. They're pretty good. Again, this wheel's a little scaling there. Interior is pretty clean. Back seat's very clean. Does have the pass through. Radio works just fine. Turn that down so you can hear me. There's a cup holder here. Center console flips up. You can see there's absolutely no airbag damage anywhere. It's just a hail damage car. The AC is blowing very cold. That's very nice. I have only one key, one remote. The radio radio buttons are on the steering wheel, and then of course the cruise controls on the steering wheel. Car is running right now. It's got 116,713 miles. Been idling the whole time. There's no owner's manual or anything like that in the car. These are just dome lights. Lighted mirrors. Go for a little drive. Okay, got my seatbelt on. You see there's no idiot lights whatsoever on in the dash. See, we're going about 60 miles an hour. No lights on. Road curves here a little bit, but straightens out. See, it's very quiet. Runs straight and true down the road. As you can see, it's a little raining, so I hit some puddles there coming down the road, but in other words, it's all fine. You can see the interior is very clean. Headliner is very clean. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you.